Hello everyone, welcome to FG Locket channel. In this video, we will be discussing UGC Net Law PYQ of June attempt 2024. ये attempt cancel हो गया था and इसका re-exam हुआ था on 30th August 2024. If you want PYQs of UGC Net and other competitive exam, then you can visit our website sortmylawschool.com and download it for free of cost. Let's begin with our first question. Usage represents the twilight stage of custom. Custom begins where usage ends. It is said by option number 2, start. Next question. Cases where the doctrine of supervening impossibility applies. Difficulty of performance? No. Commercial impossibility? No. Strikes and lockouts? No. Outbreak war? Yes. Destruction of subject matter? Yes. So answer will be option number 4. It is mentioned in Contract Act. Next question. Which of the following section of Indian Contract Act lays down the rights and obligations of the parties to the voidable contract it is rescinded? It's option number 2, section 64. Next question. Match the following. List 1 cases. List 2 subject matter relation. Pawan Kumar Gupta versus State NCT of Delhi. Curative petition against the death sentence of a convict in the Nirbhaya gang rape case. Common cause versus Union of India. Right to die with dignity. Shah Faisal versus Union of India. Reference to larger bench for determining validity of Presidential Order 2019 made applicable to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Janhit Abhiyan versus Union of India. Constitutionality of EWS quota. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. Arrange the following organs in the sequence in which they were given in the UN Charter. Security Council, International Court of Justice, Trusteeship Council, Economic and Social Council, Secretariat. So first is Security Council, then second is Economic and Social Council, third is Trusteeship, fourth is International Court of Justice, and last is Secretariat. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. Arrange the following statutes in the sequence in which they were enacted. Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, 3rd September 2005. The Prohibition of Child Marriage Act, 10th January 2007. Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act, 29th December 2007. The Rights of Persons with Disability Act, 27th December 2016. So answer will be option number 2. अब आप एक बात नोट करिए, जितना भी वीडियो के अंदर रेड के अंदर पार्ट लिखा हुआ है वो क्वेश्चन पेपर का पार्ट नहीं है, वो सिर्फ रिवीजन पर्पस से डाला गया है बिकॉज जो एक्ट्स की इनैक्टमेंट डेट्स हैं, ईयर्स हैं या केसेस के ईयर है या फिर सेक्शन नंबर्स हैं, वो सब पता होने बहुत जरूरी है बिकॉज जो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हैं वो बहुत बार आते हैं यूजीसी नेट में, सो सिर्फ रिवीजन पर्पस से वो एड ऑन किया गया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the following offences are not punishable with death as one of the punishments? Kidnapping for ransom is punishable for death. Sedition? No. Attempt to murder by a person under sentence of imprisonment for life if hurt is caused? Yes. Murder? Yes. Waging war against the government of India? Yes. So answer will be option number 3. ये जितने भी सेक्शंस मेंशन है जो रेड में मेंशन है वो आईपीसी एंड बीएनएस एक्ट दोनों के सेक्शन मेंशन है बिकॉज अब बीएनएस एक्ट आने के बाद हमें दोनों के सेक्शंस पता होने बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि क्वेश्चन पेपर में अब आने वाले अटेम्प्ट्स में दोनों में से भी पूछा जा सकता है, इसलिए दोनों के सेक्शंस पता होने बहुत जरूरी है. एंड सेडिशन को हटा के बीएनएस एक्ट में कुछ और चीजें मेंशन करी गई हैं, तो आप एक बार वो भी पढ़ लीजिएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Tort means a civil wrong is not exclusively a breach of contract or breach of trust. This definition is given by option number 3, section 2M of Limitations Act 1963. Next question. What is the period of limitation to file a complaint before a commission under the Consumer Protection Act 2019? It's option number 4, 2 years. ये section 69 of Consumer Protection Act 2019 में mention है. Next question. The Geographical Indications of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999 provides that Section 2E defines geographical indication, correct? Section 2D defines goods, wrong. Section 2D जो है वो district define करता है and जो goods है वो Section 2F में defined है. Section 3 provides for registrar of geographical indications, correct? Application for registration can be filed under Section 7. Wrong. Section 11 में फाइल हो सकती है. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. The Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019 has brought which of the following changes in centre and state relationship? Formation of Union Territory of Ladakh with legislature, wrong. Formation of Union Territory of Jammu legislature, wrong. Article 239A of Constitution which are made applicable Union Territory of Puducherry shall also apply to Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Correct. The Delimitation of Parliamentary Constituencies Order 1976 shall stand amended. Correct. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. Arrange the following rights in their chronological order as provided under Article 19(1) of the Constitution. To form association, to reside and settle in any part of the territory of India, to assemble peacefully and without arms, to move freely throughout the territory of India, to freedom of speech and expression. So, Article 19(1)(a) में mention है to freedom of speech and expression, then to assemble peacefully and without arms, then to form association, then to move freely throughout the territory of India, and last में to reside and settle in any part of the territory of India. Article 91E में. So answer will be option number 4. Next question. Match the following. List 1 is treaty, convention, and list 2 is adopted, signed, or year. Berne Convention for Protection of Literary and Artistic Work, 1886. Universal Copyright Convention, 1952. Patent Law Treaty, 2000. Rome Conference for the Protection of Performers, Producer of Phonograms and Broadcasting, 1961. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. Arrange the following in chronological order as per Sale of Goods Act 1930. Right of unpaid seller, Section 46. Transfer by non-owners, Section 27. Conditions and warranties, Section 12. Auction sale, Section 64. So answer will be option number 2. Next question. In which of the following case the Supreme Court held that Article 14 and Article 21 are important sources of the right to clean environment and right against the adverse effect of climate change? It's option number 2, M.K. Ranjit Singh versus Union of India. Next question. Arrange the following in chronological order as provided under Section 15 of Hindu Succession Act 1956. Upon the heirs of the father, upon the son and daughter and the husband, upon the mother and father, upon the heirs of the husband, upon the heirs of the mother. Section 15 deals with the inheritance of the property by Hindu women who dies without a will. तो हमें इसमें ये बताना है कि फर्स्ट इनहेरिटेंस राइट किसके पास है. अगर वो नहीं है तो देन किसके पास आएगा. अगर वो भी नहीं है तो किसके पास आएगा. तो उस चीज को हमें क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में लगाना है. So first right goes to upon the son and daughter and the husband. Then it goes to the heirs of the husband. Then upon the father and the mother. Then upon the heirs of the father. And in last upon the heirs of the mother. So answer will be option number 2. Next question. The penalty for failure to comply with orders of tribunal under Section 26 of the National Green Tribunal Act is option number 1, imprisonment up to 3 years or with fine up to 10 crores or with both. Next question. Shivakoda versus Chandrakant is a landmark case on option number 3, option when the minor attains age of majority. Next question. Which of the following cases is are not related to Uniform Civil Code? It's option number 3, लिली थॉमस वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया। बाकी सारे केसेस जो है वो प्रॉपरली रिलेटेड है यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड से, बट लिली थॉमस वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया में सिर्फ रेफरेंस आया था, उसमें बात नहीं हुई थी, वो रिलेटेड नहीं है, इससे सिर्फ रेफरेंस है, तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Who among the following jurists is the main exponent of organic theory of personality? It's option number 3, Greek. Next question. Which of the following articles of Universal Declaration of Human Rights deals with asylum? It's option number 2, Article 14. Next question. The phrase pragmatic federalism was used by judiciary in the case of option number 2, S.R. Bomai versus Union of India. Next question. The case of Council of Civil Service Union versus Ministry of Civil Service, Lord Diplock has laid down grounds for revising an administrative decision by way of judicial review. Is illegality correct? Irrationality correct? Procedural impropriety correct? Protection of fundamental rights wrong? Proportionality wrong. So answer will be option number 1. Next question. Arrange the following in sequence as they are given in Article 83 of Statutes of International Court of Justice. International custom, international conventions, general principles of law, judicial decisions. So first is international convention, then international custom, then general principles of law, then judicial decisions. So answer will be option number 2. Next question. In which of the following case Supreme Court of India summarized law relating to conspiracy? It's option number 1, State of Tamil Nadu through SP CBI versus Nalini. Next question. Every company having a net worth of rupees 500 crore or more, net profit of rupees 5 crore or more, or turnover of rupees 1000 crore or more during any financial year is required to constitute a corporate social responsibility committee of the board. So answer is option number 2. Next question. Match the following. List 1 is cases and list 2 is related to. Deputy Inspector General of Police versus S. Samuthiram is for eve teasing. Lakshmi versus Union of India, acid attack. Delhi Domestic Women Working Women's Forum versus Union of India, assistant to rape victim. Preeti Gupta versus State of Jharkhand, cruelty. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. The Supreme Court in which of the following case declared environment is a difficult word to define. Its normal meaning relates to surrounding, but obviously that is a concept which is relatable to whatever object it is, which is surrounded. Einstein has once observed that the environment is everything that is not me. It's option number 2, T.N. Godwaram, Tirumulpur versus Union of India. एक्चुअली इस जो ये लाइन है वो इस केस में भी नहीं कही गई थी, इस केस में सिर्फ रेफरेंस हुआ था एम के चिन्नप्पा वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया का। एम के चिन्नप्पा वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया में ये लाइन कही गई थी एंड इस केस का रेफरेंस जो है इस केस में हुआ था, तो इसका आंसर तो ये होगा, बट एक्चुअल ऑप्शन जो है, एक्चुअल आंसर जो है वो एम के चिन्नप्पा वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया होना चाहिए। Next question. Which provision of Patent Act states that discovery of any living or non-living thing, substance occurring in nature is not patentable? It's option number 2, section 3C. Next question. Which of the following are referred in the preamble of the National Green Tribunal Act 2010? Stockholm Conference? Yes. Rio de Janeiro Conference? Yes. Judicial pronouncement in India? Yes. Kyoto Protocol? No. So answer will be option number 2. Next question. Which of the following is not correct in relation to Competition Act 2002? Raghavan Committee laid stress on the enactment of Competition Act. Correct. Competition Act 2002 replaced MRTP Act. Correct. Competition Act 2002 prohibits only horizontal cartel and not vertical cartel. Wrong. Competition Act 2002 does not prohibit abuse of dominant position by enterprise. Wrong. So answer will be option number 4. Next question. Following are the features of parliamentary form of government. Preeminence of president. Wrong. The prime minister होता है ना कि president. Bicameral legislature. Correct. Collective responsibility. Correct. Leadership of prime minister. Correct. So answer will be option number 4. Next question. Arrange the following writs in order as they appear under Article 32 of the Constitution. First is habeas corpus. Second, mandamus. Third, prohibition. Fourth, quo warranto. And last is tertiary. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. Adultery was decriminalized and section 497 was declared as unconstitutional as violative of Article 14, 15 and 21 of the Constitution. This was decided in case of option number 2, Joseph Shine versus Union of India. Next question. Arrange the following jurors in chronological order of their year of birth. Roscoe, 28th January 1712. Grotius, 10th April 1583. Hobbes, 5th April 1588. John Locke, 26th August 1632. Montesquieu, 18th Jan 1689. So answer will be option number 2. Next question. Arrange the following as per the order of sections under Partnership Act 1932. Partnership at Will, Section 7. Property of Firm, Section 14. Holding Out, Section 28. Dissolution of a Firm, Section 39. Effect on non-registration of a partnership firm, Section 69. So answer will be option number 2. Next question. Match the following. List 1 is preposition and list 2 is theories of property. Property arose by taking control of res nullis, natural theory. The idea of individual property developed out of group or collective property, historical theory. Control of property is essential for the proper development of personality, metaphysical theory. Property is the result of individual labor theory. So answer will be option number 1. Next question. Arrange in chronological order the grounds of divorce as provided under Section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Conversion, Section 13 Clause 2. Desertion, Section 13 Clause 1b. Cruelty, Section 13 Clause 1a. Unsoundness of mind, Section 13 Clause 3. Voluntary sexual intercourse with any other person than his or her spouse. Section 13 Clause 1. So answer will be option number 4. Next question. Which of the following conditions are essential for a custom to be valid? Antiquity, correct. Continuous enjoyment as right, correct. Certainty, correct. Inconsistence with the existing custom, wrong. Conformity with the state law, wrong. So answer will be option number 1. Next question. Chronologically arrange the following as per the sections of Companies Act 2013. Red herring prospectus, section 32. Deemed prospectus, section 25. Abridged prospectus, section 2, clause 1. Self prospectus, section 31. Prospectus, section 2, clause 70. So answer will be option number 4. Next question. Match the following. List 1. Provisions for. List 2. Sections of Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act 1956. Powers of Testamentary Guardians. Section 9. Powers of Natural Guardian. Section 8. Welfare of minor to be considered by the court. Section 13. Bar on powers of the de facto guardian to deal with minors' property. Section 11. So answer will be option number 2. Next question. Which of the following section related to Istri Dhan has been given retrospective effect? It's option number 1, section 14 of Hindu Succession Act 1956. Next question. In which of the following case the principle of natural justice is applicable? It's option number 1. Cases that falls within the second proviso to Article 311, Clause 2. Next question. Which of the following is said to be Magna Carta on human environment? It's option number 2. Stockholm Conference. Next question. Which of the following statements are correct as per Muslim law? A child born after the termination of marriage is legitimate if born within 2 lunar years under Sharia law. Wrong. इसमें 10 lunar months होता है Sharia law में. A child within 6 months of marriage is illegitimate unless father acknowledges. Correct. A child born after the termination of marriage is illegitimate if born within 10 lunar months under Hanafi law. Wrong. Hanafi law में 2 lunar years होते हैं. A child born after termination of marriage legitimate if born within 4 lunar years under Safi law. Wrong. मालिक लॉ में होता है ये रूल, ना कि साफी लॉ में. इस क्वेश्चन का जो आंसर है वो ऑप्शंस में अवेलेबल ही नहीं है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शन ऑफ आईपीसी is based on the maxim voluntary non-fit injuria? It's option number 4, section 87. Next question. Which of the following article is common to all the 4 Geneva Conventions and called mini convention within the conventions? It's option number 2, Article 3. Next question. Which of the following article of Constitution of India empowers Parliament to legislate any matter for implementing the international obligations and decisions taken at the international conferences? It's option number 2, Article 253. Next question. Match the following. List 1 is cases and list 2 is related to. Ranganaikamma versus Alvar Seth, coercion. Manu Singh, undue influence. Northernfeld case, agreement in restraint of trade. Raffles versus Vichilis, mistake. So answer will be option number 3. Next question, match the following. List 1 is schedule of the Constitution of India and list 2 is related to. Schedule 2D, provision as to judges of Supreme Court and High Court. Schedule 3, forms of oath and affirmation. Schedule 4, allocation of seats in the Council of State. Schedule 12, powers, authority and responsibility of municipalities. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. Which of the following case is related with the Rohingya refugees? It's option number 3, Muhammad Salimullah versus Union of India. Next question. Under Copyright Act 1957, broadcast reproduction right shall subside for a period of, it's option number 3, 25 years. Next question. Which of the following is correct in relation to World Trade Organization? WTO is successor of GATT. Correct. WTO came into existence on 1st January 1996. Wrong. 1995 में आया था. Topmost decision-making body of WTO is the Ministerial Conference. Correct. WTO has a separate legal personality. Correct. So answer will be option number 1. Next question. Which of the following case is not related with the last opportunity rule? It's option number 4, Ponting versus Nocus. ये स्ट्रिक्ट लाइबिलिटी का केस है. बाकी तीनों जो है वो लास्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी रूल से रिलेटेड है. लास्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी रूल, also known as the last clear chance doctrine, is a legal principle in tort law that holds a defendant liable if they had the final opportunity to prevent an accident but failed to do so. Next question. Harboring of a persons who have been hired for an unlawful assembly is an offence punishable with. Option number 4, imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 6 months or fine or with both.
Next question. Arrange the following offences in ascending order in terms of maximum sentence for their offence. Section 379 is theft, 3 years. 403, dishonest misappropriation of property, 2 years. 417, cheating, 1 year. 407, criminal breach of trust, 7 years. 426, mischief, 3 months. So answer will be option number 4. Next question. Chronologically arrange the following in order of their chapter number sequence provided under Patent Act 1970. Application for patent, Chapter 3, Section 6 to 11. Amendment of application and specification, Chapter 10, Section 57 to 59. Publication and examination of application, Chapter 4, Section 11A to 21. Thereby grant of patent and rights conferred, Chapter 8, Section 43 to 53. Opposition proceedings to grant of patent, Chapter 5, Section 25 to 28. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. Which one of the following thinkers gave the concept categorical imperative? It's option number 4, Immanuel Kant. Next question. Match the following. List 1. Father of international law, Proteus, coined the term international law, Bentham. Pacta sunt servanda, Ancelotti. Auto limitation theory, George. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. Arrange the following in the sequence in which they were enacted. The Environment Protection Act, 23rd May 1986. Forest Convention Act, 27 December 1980. Wildlife Protection Act, 9 September 1972. Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 29 March 1981. Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 23rd March 1994. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. Match the following. List 1, name of the book. List 2, author. The element of jurisprudence, Holland. Foundations of jurisprudence, John Hall. The name of judicial process, Cardozo. General theory of law and state, Carlson. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. Arrange chronologically from date of recognition or adoption of right to information law in the given countries. India 2005, USA 1996, UK 2000 and Sweden 1766. So answer will be option number 2. USA and UK के अंदर इसको बोला जाता है फ्रीडम ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड स्वीडन के अंदर बोला जाता है एक्सेस टू इंफॉर्मेशन लॉ. Next question. Match the following. List 1, country, state. List 2, year of establishment, recognition of office. UK Parliamentary Commissioner, 1967. Sweden Ombudsman, 1809. India Lokpal and Lokayukt, 2013. Maharashtra Lokayukt and Up Lokayukt, 1971. So answer will be option number 2. Next question.
In criminal cases, power to grant compensation to victim of the crime can be exercised by trial court, appellate court, revisional court, court of session. So answer will be option number 4. Next question. Arrange the following cases in the sequence of year in which they were decided. Donoghue vs. Stephenson, 1932. Municipal Corporation of Delhi vs. Sukhbhavanti, 1966. Chandalal vs. Union of India, 1989. Shyam Sundar vs. State of Rajasthan, 1974. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. Match the following. List 1, features of Indian Constitution. List 2, borrowed from. Rule of law, UK. Independence of judiciary and judicial review, USA. Scheme of federation with strong center, Canada. Amendment of the Constitution, South Africa. So answer will be option number 3. Next question, which of the following person is not required to take previous approval of National Biodiversity Authority to obtain any biological resource occurring in India or knowledge associated thereto for research or for commercial utilization or biosurvey and bioutilization? It's option number 2, local resident of the area. Next question. Chronologically arrange the following cases as per the date of their decision. Union of India versus Shankar Chand Himmatlal Seth 1977. SP Gupta 1 versus Union of India 1981. Delhi Judicial Service Association versus State of Gujarat 1991. Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay versus Union of India 2003. So answer will be option number 1. Next question. Section 68 of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 requires payment of compensation which must be option number 2, just. Next question. The authentication to be effected by the use of asymmetric crypto system and hash function is known as option number 4, digital signature. Next question. A gift of some property with the objective of acquiring it with some religious benefit is known as option number 3, Satka. Next question. Match the following. List 1 cases, list 2 related to. Ashok Hurra versus Rupa Hurra, divorce. Chanmunya versus Virendra Kumar, live-in relationship. Dastane versus Dastane, cruelty. Geeta Hariharan versus RBI, guardianship. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. Arrange the following in chronological order of provision under Competition Act 2002. Composition of Commission, Section 8. Combination, Section 5. Abuse of dominant position, Section 4. Anti-competitive agreement, Section 3. Regulations of combinations, Section 6. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. Following provisions are inserted to the Copyright Act 1957 by amendment on several occasions. Arrange the provisions in chronological order as per the date of amendment. Section 31B, compulsory license for benefit of disabled, 21st June 2012. Section 42A, power to restrict rights of foreign broadcasting organizations and performers, 15th Jan 2000. Section 53A, resale share right in original copies, 10th May 1995. Section 28A, term of copyright in works of public undertaking, 9th August 1948. So answer will be option number 4. Next question, which of the following pairs are incorrectly matched? Social solidarity, Duguid, correct. Ground norm, calcium, correct. Falsific calculus, wrong. Bentham है यहाँ पे. Volgist, Sabrin, correct. Social engineering, Eyring, wrong. Roscoe Pound होगा यहाँ पे. So answer will be option number 2. Next question. Arrange the following cases in the sequence of year in which they were decided. Pakwiti Habana 1900, Vishaka versus State of Rajasthan 1997, Jolly George versus Bank of Cochin 1980, Habeas Corpus case 1976. So answer will be option number 3. Next question. Match list 1 with list 2. Volunteer non-fit injuria, Hall versus Booklands Auto Racing Club. Inevitable accident, Stanley versus Powell. Act of God, Nicholas versus Marsland. Necessity, Coke versus Sharp. So answer will be option number 2. Next question. Administrative law is the law concerning the powers and procedure of the administrative agencies, including specially the law governing the judicial review of administrative action. Who propounded the above definition of administrative law? It's option number 3, Casey Davis. Next question, which of the following articles of Indian Constitution are related with the protection of environment? Article 48, no. Article 48A, yes. Article 21, yes. Article 51AG, yes. Article 51AE, no. So answer will be option number 3. Next question, match the following. List 1 convention, list 2 related to. First Geneva Convention of 1949. ये 1949 नहीं है, 1929 होना चाहिए, मिसप्रिंट हुआ था पेपर में. So first Geneva Convention of 1929 is field. Second Geneva Convention, C. Third Geneva Convention, prisoners of war. Fourth Geneva Convention, civilians. So answer will be option number 3. Next question, which of the following provisions of the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993 defines the human rights? It's option number 3, section 2D. Next question, law is an ordinance of a reason for a common good made by him who has the care of community and promulgated. This sentence was given by option number 2, St. Thomas. Next question, match the following list 1 cases, list 2 related to. Condoli Tea Company Limited, independent corporate existence. Gilfredo Motor Company Limited, fraud or improper conduct. State Trading Corporation of India Limited, company is not a citizen. Anthrope versus Peter for benefit of revenue. So answer will be option number 4. Next question, the Supreme Court of India
declares that till the law is made by Parliament, the appointment to the post of Chief Election Commissioner and the Election Commissioner shall be done by the President of India on the basis of advice tendered by a committee consisting of Prime Minister, Leader of Opposition in Lok Sabha. Where there is no Leader of Opposition, the Leader of largest party in the opposition in Lok Sabha, having largest numerical strength, and Chief Justice of India, in which case the Supreme Court has made the above declaration. It's option number 1, Anup Baranwal versus Union of India. Next question, match the following list 1 definitions and list 2 sections of IPC BNS Act. Injury, section 44 and section 240 of BNS Act. Reason to believe, section 26 and section 26 of IPC and section 2 subsection 29 of BNS Act. Animal, section 47 IPC and section 2 subsection 2 of BNS Act. Court of Justice, section 20 of IPC and section 2 subsection 5 of BNS Act. So answer will be option number 2. Next question, third means option number 3, period between two menstruational courses. Next question, the doctrine of sovereign equality is provided in Article 2.1 of the UN Charter. Option 1 is the correct answer. This was the last question of this video. जब भी आप यूजीसी नेट की प्रिपरेशन करें तो PYQs जरूर देखें, पुराने क्वेश्चन पेपर्स हैं वो जरूर सॉल्व करें, बिकॉज उससे काफ़ी हेल्प होती है, उससे तो आपका रिविजन होता है, साथ ही साथ आपको पैटर्न समझ में आता है कि कैसा पेपर आता है, कितना टाइम लगता है किस क्वेश्चन के अंदर, एंड उसमें यूजीसी नेट के अंदर काफ़ी बार रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस भी आते हैं, तो उससे भी आपको काफ़ी हेल्प हो जाती है जब आप क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करते हैं. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.